Best sisters forever, it's Ellie and Shelly. Big surprise. I'm so bored. That's why I invited Chloe, Zoe, and Tilly to our house. Oh, that must be them. I'll put it on speakerphone.
Hey Shelly, it's Chloe. Thanks for inviting us to your house. Zoe, Tilly, and I are on our way. See ya.
Bye! Oh, great job, Shelly. Good idea. Thanks. I wonder when they'll be here. They said they'd be here soon, so it shouldn't take too long. Oh, that was fast. I'll go get the door. Hey, Tilly. Hey, Zoe. Hey, Chloe. Wow.
Wow! I've never seen your room before. It's so pretty. Way nicer than mine.
I've never seen your room, you know. I bet it's really nice, too.
You can come check it out if you want to. It's right across the street.
Want to go? Yeah, sure. Let's go. Okay, here we are. Let's go inside. Whoa!
I see skies of blue, clouds of white, bright blessed days, dark sacred nights, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Whoa, Tilly! Your room is amazing! I love it!
Thanks.
I wish our room was this pretty. Compared to yours, ours is like a decoration disaster. I'm getting hungry. You girls wanna come? Ellie and I wanna get lunch.
No thanks. We just ate. We'll stay here.
Okay. Thanks for letting us come to your room. Bye.
Girls, we should totally remodel their room for them.
I agree.
Let's do it.
Is this all the decor? I don't know. Uh-oh, that's them. They're coming. Surprise! Oh, wow. This looks amazing. Oh, a desk. Ooh, our bunk bed looks so pretty. And this rug. Oh, I can't believe you did this for us. It was no problem. Aw, you're such great friends. Yeah, we are. Let's have a group hug. Yay! I love you guys.